Latit, Pulkol, Bego Marian, Bepax, Netherlands, Bego Angwech, Megweji, Rotella,
to the government leaders as well.
For you, the DWOG, Acholi, Mario, Rwot,
We thank the Paramount Chief of David Acana II for the help and the contribution that you have made to them. In a special way, we want to thank the organization called PACO from the Netherlands for whatever you have done today. For organization called Terra, Renaissance, thank you so much for the contribution to them. To the division commander and the UPDF fraternity, thank you so much for providing them security, but also keeping them alive until today. To all the cultural leaders, thank you very much. For a special way, we thank our parents for joining us today, but also being with us this
police primary, school, nursery parks.
Praise God. Thank you very much. I'm still learning the local language. We thank you all in your different capacities. I am so happy. It's only God that can reward you in your different kind. We special thanks to the President for welcoming us back to our country, Uganda. To our mother Miriam, we thank you so very much. You really effort to make us come back to this country. Our parents are not here, but all of you here are our parents, and we thank you very much. You really welcome us like your own children. Thank you for that.
for matter at Wako Fort la Tit 7, Ichumuchum Piwan Kimego Miriam, Kimego Monu, Ki one con more he can work with every one Wakotini Wakwano, 1 young Kinomo Matieto Matitiri, and Elino, Apame was so near, at the Lotera, get to them at Teka, get to the care of your wife.
In a special testimony, thank you again for all the people that have contributed. But to an organization called Terra, I did not know how to write my name, but you did an amazing job on us. I now can write my own name. I did not know how a school looked like, how to be in a school, but special contribution that you did to us as Terra's organization. We really thank you. Even though we had differences in language, but they really tried with us. It made us to understand what they're telling us, what they're teaching us, and we really thank you very much. Thank you very much for the people that came to where we were. It was not an easy journey, but we thank you for your effort coming to pick us and bring us back home. It's something that we cannot forget. To our mother Miriam, it was not easy for you. We remember even one of the times when you came to us, you fell on water. You really tried to make us feel home. We really have a special thank to you, and we see you as our mother. What our mother has not been able to do, you have done it for us. Thank you.
And everything that he has done for us. Because, as other speakers have said, we have gone through a life of turbulence. But the rest of God has helped to cool down all that turbulence, and we are peaceful. So we thank him. Today is a special day when we are gathered here to witness the reintegration of our brothers and sisters who were in captivity outside their country. And today we say, Wafoyo Dugugang.
Thank you for coming back home.
We strongly welcome you back to your country, where you will be free to enjoy the peace that many people have fought for. I also want to take this opportunity to thank the head of state,
the dear president,
for being a father, for the reconciliation efforts and the dialogue that he has steered. That has led to the peace we are enjoying today in the region. I also want to thank everybody who has contributed to the peace that we are seeing in northern Uganda now. Peaceable roads the people who were on the negotiation team, the Juba and Central Africa, the cultural leaders, the role they have played, the religious leaders, and everyone, the security people, the role they have played to ensure peace and security returns back to the region.
Tutale wun duju, tutale tala dini, tutale mekara, jo duju mu yele mu wero kuch tinu dugu.
And on a special note, I want to thank all the Acholi people
Meropo wun jo Acholi, yuak me Acholi.
for embracing peace.
Me ye ni kuch dugi.
We may thank the negotiators, we may thank the security people, but it is the people of Acholi who have said enough is enough, we must enjoy peace. So we thank you so much.
Ramopo dano duju mu chera lo ke kon mu lo mapat but wun chala Acholi wun ye ni kuch mero dugi.
So that at least now everybody is able to engage in productive activities in his or her own village.
Owere chane dano duju gitie kama gitime ji makonyo otgi konyo bene patch.
So we still have some challenges which have already been identified. One is the on land conflict.
Kun put wateke jim mateka